Meghalaya generates around 1.5 million units of power on an average, while the state requirement is around 6.7 million units of power every day. However, Minister in charge of Power A.T. Mondal said there will be no increase in load shedding timing. Speaking to reporters in Shillong, Mondal said that the state government would be overhauling the hydropower projects in the state to ensure that these projects function according to their capacities. He said that the machines in the Leshka project need full capital overhauling, which has not been done so far. He said 2 units of the Leshka project are running, while the maintenance work in another unit would be completed by August. The overhauling of one of the units of the Umyam project would be completed by June.
Two units are running, one unit we are doing some maintenance work. So maybe by August that maintenance work also will be over, because these are huge machines. These are your turbine is there, then your generator generating unit is there. In that again coil is there, rotor is there, stator is there. So all fitting requires times. So 2 units are in place, 1 unit we are doing the overhauling.
Minister of Excise Kerman Shala on Friday launched